In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download 1inch Wallet app on Android. By the end, you will have the official app installed and ready to use. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You should see the colorful Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When it opens, the main screen usually shows featured apps and a search bar at the top, which is exactly where we are heading next. Now tap the search bar at the very top of the Play Store screen. When you tap it, the keyboard appears from the bottom and the bar becomes active, ready for you to type. You might also see recent searches listed below, which you can ignore for now. Search for 1inch wallet. Type the words 1inch wallet as a single phrase, then tap the search button on your keyboard. After a moment, the Play Store will show a list of matching apps. At this stage, beginners sometimes accidentally tap the first ad result, so take a second to look at the actual app names. From the results, select 1inch DeFi Crypto Wallet. The full listing name should read 1inch DeFi Crypto Wallet with the 1inch logo beside it. Once you tap it, the app details page opens, showing the app icon at the top, the name, rating, number of downloads, and screenshots. This page is where you can double-check that you are looking at the correct wallet. Before you install anything, verify that the developer is Degensoft Limited. You will see the developer name right under the app title or near the top of the page. Make sure it says Degensoft Limited and not any variation or extra words. This check helps you avoid unofficial or fake wallet apps that might appear with similar names in search results. With that confirmed, tap Install. The button is usually green and sits on the right side below the app name. Once you tap Install, the button changes to a progress indicator and you will see a download bar start filling. You might also see a small download notification appear at the top of your screen while the app is being added to your device. Next, wait for the installation to finish. Play Store will handle everything in the background, and you do not need to tap anything else during this time. When it is complete, the Install button changes into an Open button, which is your visual confirmation that the 1inch wallet is now installed on your Android device. After that, tap Open. The 1inch wallet app launches, and you should see the welcome or onboarding screen with the 1inch branding. At this point, the app icon is also added to your app drawer and usually to your home screen, so you can open it directly later without going back through the Play Store. You can then create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. If you create a new wallet, the app will generate a recovery phrase that you must store offline and never share. If you import, you will enter your existing seed phrase to restore your funds and transaction history into this app on your phone. So now you have downloaded and opened the official 1inch wallet app on Android, ready to create or import your crypto wallet. If this helped you get the right 1inch app installed, a quick thumbs up goes a long way, and feel free to subscribe for more clear wallet guides.